Khortalim MLA Elina Saldana said that increasing number of crimes against women and children has raised concern over the security of Goans in the society, so we have asked for the finite police station in the Sankwale Zuari Nagar to focus on illegality and anti-social elements in society. She was speaking after the inaugural function of new Anganwadi Center by Mahalakshmi Mahila Mandal at Upas Nagar, Sankwale on Tuesday.
Goa was always a safe place. Even for me as a woman, I can say that I did not have to think twice about going out on the streets for my needs, like if I had to go shopping, even after 7 in the evening, because I always felt safe in Goa. However, presently, Goa being a touristic state, it has its advantages and there are a few disadvantages also, and you have all kinds of elements coming into the city, and recently many incidents that have taken place, especially related to women, and I'm very sad to say even related to little children, have made all of us feel that we are going through a stage where security for women, and more in particular security for little children, is a topic that has to be taken up by all the concerned authorities. Now, as far as Khortalim constituency is concerned, we have asked the government, and the file is in process for a definite police station at Sankwal village, because the patrolling that is needed in this area, especially in Zuari Nagar, is immense, and we therefore need a definite police station that will focus on all the issues and problems and illegalities arising in this area. And I request the police to be on constant vigil. Very happy occasion because we have inaugurated an Anganwadi center, and I think this Anganwadi center is going to definitely fulfill the needs of many ladies who are working ladies. As said by the CDPO, today's family is a nuclear family. Unlike the olden days, we had our grandparents who would take care of the grandchildren. But today, every parent is working. Both the father and the mother go to work, and children, the mother is at a loss sometimes where to keep the child, at a place where the child will be taken good care of. And I think Anganwadi is the center, and I'm very happy that the Mahila Morcha of this area is responsible for making this Anganwadi a reality.
चिल्ड्रन असतात त्यांना आम्ही नॉन फॉर्मल प्री स्कूल एज्युकेशन दिता. तसेच आमच्याकडे जे बेनिफिशरी आसा प्रेग्नंट वुमन, लॅक्टेटिंग मदर्स आणि 6 months to 3 years चिल्ड्रन त्यांना आम्ही सप्लिमेंटरी न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाईड करता. तसेच आहार विषयक, आरोग्य विषयक आणि शिक्षण विषयक जबाबदारी ही सर्वांगीण बालविकास योजनेची आसा. सो ही जी सर्वांगीण बालविकास योजना आसा त्याची 114 अंगणवाडी सेंटर मार्मागाव ब्लॉकमध्ये कार्यरत आसा, आणि त्यांना आम्ही असे लक्षात घेतलेले आसा की त्यांना बेसिक फॅसिलिटीज म्हणजे वॉटर फॅसिलिटी, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरमध्ये टॉयलेट फॅसिलिटी आसपाक जाय, आणि एक भुरग्यांका प्ले वे मेथडनी जितले 3 to 5 years चिल्ड्रन आसा त्यांना योग्य पद्धतीने पूर्व प्राथमिक शिक्षण मिळपाक जाय याची पूर्ण जबाबदारी आणि प्रयत्न आम्ही सतत करत असता.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, डॉन बॉस्को चॅनल.